The 2006 Lincoln Zephyr. The Lincoln Zephyr is every bit a contemporary Lincoln in its exterior styling. Angular and toned, with the trademark Lincoln chromed waterfall grille and sculpted hood. It's conservative enough to please longtime Lincoln buyers, yet fresh enough to attract a younger set that Lincoln desires, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power moonroof, front license plate bracket. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.